Alright people, let's have a look how to register in Crypto Fortune. So I've copied the link. Let me just go back and show you again. You copy the link. Please do not press on the link. Just copy it, highlight it and copy it. Then you go back to PayPal and then make sure that you have at least enough, some gas fees for the registration and your amount of USDT that you want to start with investing. Right, the rest of the coins you can remove. This is only for demonstration purposes. You will press on explore at the middle, at the bottom in the middle, and okay, you can see I already have my my website there, but I'm going to do a new registration, so I'm going to tap on the link here at the top on the search bar, and then paste the link right at the top again. So you confirm that the number is correct, the user ID. Right, there's nobody can make any changes. They can't redo the registration or make the changes if you register incorrectly. So now what happens is mine is already set on BNB chain. Default will be on Ethereum. So make sure that you change it to BNB chain. Excuse me. Right, and then you press go top right, and this will take you to. It will ask you to sign, but before that it will ask you to give you a warning, but just confirm that as your standard safeguard warning, and now press confirm again. Right, so then you will get to the screen and you need to press on register at the bottom and confirm again. This is your interaction with the smart contract now. And then you just leave it a little bit. Then you can also confirm the user ID. So now it's registered, right? Referred by that link that you used. This is your new user ID, that one. Right, the registration was successful. Now you scroll up. The USDT is already in your wallet deposited. You can also register and deposit the USDT later on. Now you're going to press on deposit and you're going to enter the amount. Yeah, you see now there is the amount. It corresponds with your USDT wallet, USDT BEP20. Now take note, you can only input round numbers here in dollar, in multiples of $1. You cannot enter or invest your cents. So make it to round numbers. Minimum is $10, maximum is $500 in your first 30 days. So you can, this specific one is going to be $50 now. And then I'm going to press approve USDT. Now take note, you're going to approve this twice. First approval or confirmation is for approval, and the second confirmation is going to be for the depositing of the dollars. You will see now it says approving there. Right, make sure you have enough gas fees at least. Right, now it's approved. Now it comes a message up again, and please, this is a standard warning. It is really not high excessive gas fees. It's about 10 cents to do a transaction. There you can see it's all the same. Even if you put it on low, it stays the same. $0.01. Alright, so it's not BNB. It is you're just going to confirm that again. And you just wait for it. There it says depositing now. And deposit successful. Right, so where do you see your active investment? Right here at active cycles. This is your active cycles. When you're going to do reinvestments, this active cycles will change. It will be added here, but it will also be on the cycles tab next to the dashboard. Here you can see the timestamp exactly about 30 seconds ago it was registered. When you claim your first ROI, this grey bar will update orange as the days complete, up until day 30 is finished. Each reinvestment also has a 30-day cycle, and it will also come and show up here. Right, so that is how you do registration on Crypto Fortune. So there's no log out feature. You just press at the top and you go back, and then you go to the wallet again, and there you're back in the wallet. So there's no log out. It's just when you want to enter the website, you go to explore, and then you can tap on the link, but I've entered the website already, so it's cryptofortune.live, and here you can get more information about the concept, about the platform itself. So here you can enter protocol, then you will just go in that way again. You do not pay gas fees for when you log in. You're paying gas fees when you claim the return on investment, which is about 5 cents, and when you do a reinvestment, I mean when you claim a return on investment, yes, and when you do a reinvestment, it's about 10 US dollar cents per reinvestment. And there you are in. Here is your referral link if you want to refer other people. Right, your active deposit is there. Your claimable ROI will show up 24 hours after your first investment. Right, and then it will also come appear here when you claim the ROI. This button will light up bright orange like the deposit one. Right, okay, that is it. Thank you very much.